Just stop, bro. It's not that big of a deal. It's not, I know. You might not be. Just it's like it's $2. Bro, just come on. Come on, man.
I can't.
Don't do that. It might be a compliance ticket. I understand. West 31 Mount with the subject.
I lost everything, please. I lost everything. I'm going to jail.
I will work with you, man. It's $200.
Just before 9:43 a.m. in August 2024, Joliet, Illinois officers were called to a business on Plainfield Road for a shoplifting suspect who had already walked out of the store with unpaid merchandise. Officers arrived within minutes, and what happened next was captured entirely on body camera.
Okay, well, let's just talk. Listen, stop.
Damn, you don't understand.
Okay, but don't do this to me. Like, I'm here doing a job too, man.
But don't take me to jail.
Let's talk first.
I'm going to jail.
Please.
I'm going to
just
jail.
Talk with me.
I'm going to jail.
Okay, but I will work with you.
I'm
we'll
going
figure
to jail.
something out. Maybe you can work something off or something.
I can't, man.
Listen
I'm
to
going
me.
to jail.
Don't do this. Don't do this.
Just shoot me, man.
No.
Just shoot me. Please, I don't want to go to jail. Can I just sit down, man? I'm going to jail, bro. I'm going to jail. I'm not, listen, I'm not.
Bro, if you do the right thing, here, let me get that.
I'm not even snatching away from
I know. Dude, if you do the right thing and listen, there's no place for you to go to jail. I know you were cooperative with me. You gave me the shit back, okay?
But she's going to take me to jail.
Because you took off. That's a burglary charge. And just to let you know, she's
31.
recording.
I know, but I'm not.
I'm trying to work. I'm still willing to work with you.
I'm going to jail.
Well, I didn't do nothing wrong.
I'm going to jail. It's not you.
We're going to try to work with you.
I'm going to jail.
Come on. Bro, here's what's going to happen. I'll keep it real, dude. I got to get a price. I'm going to run your name.
I'm going to jail.
You got a record.
I have a warrant.
Then why do you do this dumb shit?
Because I don't have nothing going on in my life right now.
Man, that sucks, dude.
Thank you.
I don't have nothing going on in my life right now, man. I just need to sit down right now.
Okay, sit down.
Man.
That's fine. Let him sit.
Yeah, I just need to sit down real quick.
Sit down for a
You need
minute.
a water, bro?
I don't need no water. I'm just
Why don't we get you over here out of the sun?
damn.
It's hot as shit over here.
In
Let me
the
get you over
parking
here,
lot,
pal.
he's sitting down.
You cool with that?
He doesn't want to
Let me
walk.
get you over here. It's too bright over here.
Unit.
Let me help you out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's get you over here, pal.
Damn, man.
Bro, there was no need for all this
I
shit.
know. I'm just.
And you're making it. You're making it.
I'm just.
I know, but if you would have stayed and talked to me,
I got anxiety. It wasn't like I was.
I know.
I gave you.
I know.
I knew she was outside, bro. So just
you were
anxiety,
cooperative
bro.
with me, bro. I don't
Just
lie. I'm
anxiety.
too old. They have a good
Just
partnership with
anxiety,
PD. They get here fast.
I do.
It's
He
really
does.
just
I do.
anxiety.
Okay. All right. What's the warrant for?
It's for a drug court.
Do you even know if it's good? Like with the way the new Safety Act crap is, they
Yeah.
let you out like
That's
right
what
on
I'm
there?
saying. Like
No,
an
you
hour.
have to let me out. You have to let me out. But I gotta see the judge.
Do you have ID on you or anything?
My name is Nathan. I told you I got a warrant. My name is Nathan Bond, man. Damn, I got a warrant. Like, what the fuck? It's the truth.
Hey, you did
For
everything
drug
right,
court.
bro. I mean, this is just retail
anxiety.
theft.
That's all.
I get you.
He said she was outside. I was just
I was
anxiety.
honest with you, though. I didn't have to tell you that, no, but I was honest with you.
Nathan
I'm an
Bond is
combat
way
vet.
up.
I don't lie to people. I don't
Man,
try to
just
lock
take me to
people
the
up.
county. I've been running anyways. Fuck it. Just time to sit down. I guess it's time to sit down.
Well, I know the officer didn't ask, and she hasn't patted you down yet, but you got any weapons that hurt you or her?
Okay, well now you don't gotta run anymore.
Man, I've been running.
No, we're not running
bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Alright.
All right, well, we got the stuff back. I think I gotta get the battery out of his bag. I'll get you the price and everything. He was cooperative with
Yeah,
me. He
just
didn't
go
give
ahead
me
and sign your paperwork.
This,
We'll deal with
wait,
this.
hold on. This is the battery.
Relax,
No, the
relax.
battery.
I know.
No,
relax.
I'm not trying. I'm not trying to. Come on, man.
Listen, I just-
Give him
listen,
that battery right there.
I can't have you reaching into your pocket while we're on video. Like,
Oh,
I'll get in
okay,
trouble
okay,
for some shit like that, man.
Well, thank you for being cooperative.
Just throw it away.
So I'll get you your stuff right now.
Thank you.
Throw it away.
That shit went out the window when you left the door.
Well, I wasn't gonna go no. Yeah, that's medical. Okay, as long as you're not tripping about the medical marijuana.
Nathan Bond.
So, Nathan,
Please don't take my weed. I have anxiety. Please don't take.
You
my
can't
shit.
take it to the county with you?
Nathan, because you don't have any identity, boss, I gotta get a picture of you. We don't put it on social media.
I never said I didn't have an ID.
You got an ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I still gotta get a picture of you just for our records. You don't go
Why
anywhere
you
else,
keep
okay?
taking my phone? Are you good? It's the same phone. Right
I
here.
think it's gonna be over two.
Right here.
I'll get you a price right now.
In this pocket.
He had to climb overhead to grab it.
We go.
Falling out.
Quit.
Right in the inside. Open it. The other one. Damn, man.
Yeah, can you come over here?
Alright, man, if you can look around, right here, push.
You need like all of us?
Thank you. Best of luck to you, bro.
I just got to motherfucking see the judge and
Okay,
get evaluation.
he's doing the like, I'm gonna cooperate, but I'm gonna be a jerk thing.
Me?
Yeah.
Man, he's like he's fucking.
Yeah, can you come over here?
Alright, anything you can look around, look right here, push.
You need like all of us?
Thank you. Best of luck to you, bro.
I just got to motherfucking see the judge and
Okay,
get
sounds good.
evaluation.
He's doing the like, I'm gonna cooperate, but I'm gonna be a jerk thing.
Me?
Yeah.
Man, he's fucking ready to. Huh?
You can't come back here yet. Just
Oh,
heads
that's
up, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Man, why can't you throw that away, man? We gonna get that's another charge for having a pipe.
Yeah. Okay, that's another charge. You ran out the door, dude.
I mean, I have anxiety, bro. I literally
that's
have
a shame.
anxiety
That's
for
a shame.
real.
I get you. Lean back so I got a seatbelt you. So if you want me to seatbelt you.
What would it do? Good.
Lean for it.
Oh, okay.
Put the rest out, you know what I'm saying?
I've been running, man.
I know.
Tired.
Life is like that.
No, I'm just tired of running. About time for the game to get this up.
It's only one for room for now, but
We're good.
he's like on the fence, so
So you want 43 plus?
Yeah, hold on. It's a lap belt, like a kid, you know what I'm saying?
Nathan say the voice to advise.
No, my ID. Where's my ID go?
It's in your pocket.
Yeah, I'm about
for that's 99.
The suspect was taken into custody without incident and transported for processing on a retail theft charge. The stolen merchandise was recovered and returned to store management, and no injuries were reported. The business remained open following the incident. This body cam footage provides a clear look at how officers handle routine retail theft calls and bring situations to a safe, controlled conclusion.